Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends will be fine and good. May Allah bless you, keep smiling, always be happy in your life. First of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, I am thanking you connecting with me. Thanking for supporting me and watching my videos. Today I am sharing this video, half one hairstyle ideas. Gather the top section of your hair and scare it into a bun while leaving the rest following. Create a relaxed look by intricately making the bun slightly messy and letting some strands fall naturally. Add a twist by incorporating a braid into the top section before creating the bun. Position the bun at the nape of your neck for a chic and understand style. Instead of a transition bun, twist the top section of your hair for a unique and stylish. Impress your natural curls and create a half bun with the curly top section while letting the rest of your curls down. Divide the top section into the two parts, creating two smaller buns for a playful and trendy vibe. Enhance your style by adding a headband to your half bun for a touch and elegance. Remember to customize this style based on your hair type, length and personal preference. Insert the upper half of your hair into the high ponytail and then twist it into a bun for a sleek and polished look. Create a loose, carefree half bun by wrapping and the top section with a few strands left out for a bohemian vibes from the neat and tidy top knot with the upper part of your hair while leaving the lower half down for a modern and edgy style. Gather the top section to one side of your head before creating the bun for a stylish appearance. Wrap the thin section of hair around the base of the bun for a sophisticated touch. Add a volume by tracing the top section before scaring it into a bun, giving your hairstyle a bit of hair and texture. Position the bun at the crown of your head for a graceful and inspired half-up style. Create a vintage look by styling the bun with a slight bouffant of incorporating factory rules for a pin-up girl's aesthetic. Experiment with these ideas to find half-bun hairstyle that complements your personal style. Create a back look by scaring the top half of your hair into a loose bun, allowing some strand to frame your face. Twist the top section of your hair before forming the bun for a elegant and textured style. Incorporating a small crown braid into the top section, then gather the remaining hair into a bun for a wig and vibe. Form a bun at the nape of your neck and wrap the small section of hair around the base for a polished finish. Enhance your style by adding hairpins, clips, or incorporating to bun for a touch of flair. Tease the top section of your hair before creating the bun to add volume and a playful touch. Opt for a relaxed and effortless look by forming a slightly messy top knot with the upper part of your hair. Achieve a polished appearance by smoothing the top section of your hair into the sleek and tight bun. Remember, this style can be adopted based on your hair type, length and personal preference. Enjoy experimenting with these half bun ideas. Wrap a thin section of hair around the base of the bun for a sophisticated touch. Add volume by testing the top section before scaring it into a bun, giving your hairstyle a bit of hair and texture. Position the bun at the crown of your head for a graceful and inspired half-up style. Create a vintage look by styling the bun with a slight incorporating factory rules for a pin-up and incorporate bun. And so everyone, please like my video and subscribe.